Hello everyone, welcome to 3D Printing for Curbside Pickup. My name is Gary. I'm a Community Technology Specialist with San Mateo County Libraries, and I'm excited to take you on a tour of this brand new service we're offering. So first question, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is the process of rendering a 3D digital model in plastic using a 3D printer. Some places we can find 3D models include Thingiverse, which is an online library featuring tons and tons of free 3D models you can download. Imagine is another online library where you can find free 3D models. Additionally, you can try your hand at designing something yourself using Tinkercad. Now, we also have great videos on how to use these services, which can be found on this playlist. I recommend you check those out as well. Once you have your 3D model, you can head right over to our website, and we're going to do that now. Our website is smcl.org. Once you navigate to our website, on the menu bar here, you can select Services. Under this drop-down menu, you can find Rooms and Equipment Reservations, and you could click on that link. Or if you know the direct address, and you could see that in my address bar here now, smcl.org/3D printing, you can enter that, and that'll take you right to our 3D printing page. On our 3D printing page, you can scroll down here a little bit, and you'll find that the first step is to schedule your appointment. Under this drop-down menu, I'm going to select the location of the library that I'd like to pick my 3D print job up at. And that's going to be the San Carlos Library, I think, as that's nearby me. So I'll select that. That takes me to their equipment page. If I scroll down here, I can find the 3D printer. I'm going to click on More Details. So on this page, we'll find some more information about the 3D printing for curbside pickup service. In order to get started on your 3D printed item, we do ask that you be 13 years of age or older and live in San Mateo County. We ask that you have a valid library card that begins with 29041 and that your design file meets our 3D printing agreement guidelines. And you could click on this link to find out more about our 3D printing agreement guidelines. And once we get to the booking details page, we will ask you to give us a little bit more information about your 3D printing project. Additionally, we'll have some information about our 3D printer specifications if you're curious to know more. And we do have some terms and conditions. Please review those before proceeding. Once you've done that, you can scroll down here to find the booking grid. Now, if you see this plain gray neutral color, that means there's nothing available during that day or time, but I can click on the next available button here. That will take me out to the next available day and time. Then I can make a reservation. Looks like that's going to be Thursday, December 3rd. As far as the time, any one of these blue squares is a time you can select. I think I might want to do it early, so I'm going to select 11 a.m. And I can see that this reservation is going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Thursday, December 3rd. Now I can click on Add to Cart and Checkout, and once I do that, it's going to ask me to enter my library card and my PIN number. Now I've already done so, so it took me right to the booking details page. I'll scroll down a bit here. Since I entered my library card, it already knew what my name and my email address is. Those are important pieces of information we'll need. So don't worry about that. Once you plug in your library card number, we'll have that. It's also going to ask what are the last 4 digits of your telephone number. Now, when you go to pick up your object, you're going to find it by your last name, your first initial, and the last 4 digits of your phone number, which is why we asked for that, just like any other curbside pickup. I am 13 years of age or older, so I'm going to select yes. Now here's the important part. This is where we ask you to paste a URL link to your 3D printed project. I found something on Thingiverse that I'd like to print, and I'm just going to grab the address for this page so that when staff are reviewing my request, they can look at any of the information that's relevant to the project, and they'll be able to grab the STL file from there. As far as some information about the project, I do want to let staff know that I would like to print this gyroscope keychain because I'm going to give it as a holiday gift. If there's anything else I would like them to know, I can enter it in the box here. I think I'm good to go, so I'm going to submit my booking. And I can see that I have successfully requested a reservation to print my project on Thursday, December 3rd from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So what are the next steps? Well, first of all, I'm going to receive a confirmation email that the library received my 3D printing request. And it's going to inform me that I will need to wait for staff to review it. If it's approved, I will receive an approval email letting me know that my project is going to be ready for pickup on Thursday, December 3rd by the end of my reservation time, which is 1 p.m. And at that time, I could stop by the library and I could pick up my 3D printed object from the curbside pickup table. So again, please visit us at smcl.org/3D printing and make a 3D printing reservation appointment. I hope this video was helpful. Again, on this playlist, you'll also find some other great videos on how to find 3D models and even create your own. Thank you for exploring, and remember, everyone is a maker.